Welcome. Today, we're practicing the quick calm technique, a simple science-backed way to reset your body and mind in just a few minutes. Before we start, rate your current level of disturbance or stress on a scale from 0 to 10. 0 meaning no disturbance at all, or 10 meaning the highest level of disturbance you can imagine. Where are you right now? Just notice your number without judgment. If it feels comfortable, gently close your eyes. Bring your attention to your breath without trying to change it just yet. Just notice. Notice the air moving in through your nose, the way it feels as it passes your throat, fills your chest and expands into your belly. The temperature of the air as you breathe it in and as you breathe out. Now begin to lengthen out your breathing. Inhale gently through the nose for a slow count of 4. Exhale softly through your mouth for a count of 6. Let's try this together for a few deep breaths. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And continue with in for 4 counts, out for 6, or at your own pace, letting each exhale release a little more tension from your body. Moving on to step 2, progressive muscle relaxation. Just bring your attention to the top of your head. Notice any tension in your scalp or forehead. On your next exhale, just let that tension melt away. Gravity doing the work for you. And slowly move down to your eyebrows, your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw, letting the muscles soften, releasing with each exhale. Moving down your neck and shoulders. On your exhale, imagine the weight sliding down your arms and out the ends of your fingertips. Move to your chest and your back. Breathe out any tightness you find there. Move to your belly. Allow it to soften with each exhale. Down to your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves. Letting go little by little. Moving to your ankles and your feet. Over the arches of your feet and out the ends of your toes, releasing the last little bit of tension. Just feeling heavier, calmer, and more grounded. Just noticing the weight of your own body against the floor or the chair, wherever you are. Just feeling the weight of your own body. And gently shifting your attention to a visualization of a calm, safe, happy place. Picture a place where you can feel comfortably safe and calm and at peace. It can be real or imagined, maybe a beach or a forest, a cozy room or a sunny meadow. In your mind's eye, look around. What colors, shapes, and light do you see? Notice all of the things that you see with your eyes, whether it's day or night, light or dark, vivid bright colors or muted, pale. Now listen. Are there birds or water or wind? Or maybe just a comfortable silence? Allow yourself to just notice what sounds you hear in that place. Notice what you smell, and possibly if there are even tastes associated with that place. Is there fresh air or flowers, maybe wood smoke or something else familiar? And finally, notice how you feel in that place, both physically and emotionally. Feel the warmth of the sun or the coolness of the breeze, the texture beneath your hands or your feet. Let yourself be there. Not just seeing it, but sensing it with your whole body. Notice the emotional tone of this place. Calm, peaceful, maybe even energizing. Let that feeling sink into you as if your whole body is absorbing it. As you breathe here, remember, this calm is yours. You created it inside yourself, and you can return to it anytime. Whether life feels overwhelming, tense, or uncertain, this isn't a heavy, sleepy calm. It's an energizing calm, the kind that clears your mind and steadies your emotions and helps you take on whatever comes next. Again, notice that you have created this and that you can recreate it whenever you need it. Take one more slow, deep breath in and exhale fully. When you're ready, gently start to open your eyes and check back in on that scale from 0 to 10. Where are you now? Notice the shift, no matter how small, as proof that you have the ability to guide your body and your mind toward calm anytime you choose. Thank you for sharing this time with me. And return to this meditation, this quick calm technique of moving through rating your emotion, breathing, relaxing your body and going to a calm, safe mental place, and returning to the world in a calmer, safer, more capable way.